Hi everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to share with you a recipe for the Cheesecake Factory's 4-cheese pasta, one of my favorite dishes at the restaurant. This pasta recipe can be made quickly, which makes it a great choice for busy nights. Please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need: 16 ounces of penne pasta, 15 ounces of ricotta cheese, a 24-ounce jar of your favorite marinara sauce, 1 egg, 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/2 cup of shredded Italian blend cheese, 1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, and 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh basil. Cook the pasta al dente according to the package directions. Drain the water and toss with a little bit of olive oil to keep the pasta from sticking together. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of ricotta cheese with the mozzarella, Italian cheese blend, 1/4 cup of Parmesan, and the egg. You can also add a little salt and pepper at this time. Add the marinara sauce and the cheese mixture to a large saucepan and stir over medium-low heat until the cheese has melted. Add the cooked penne pasta to the sauce and stir to combine. Divide the pasta into serving bowls and top it with a dollop of remaining ricotta cheese and garnish with the remaining Parmesan and chopped fresh basil leaves. I hope you like this delicious pasta recipe as much as I do. The full recipe is in the description below, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Please consider subscribing for more recipes if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.